How's it going, everyone? Dean here, and today we're continuing the search for another villager. So we didn't really have any luck on part 1. Hopefully we can find someone cool today and end our search. That way I don't have to keep going back in time, because I do want to do the Halloween event. And so I'm thinking that if I don't find someone by then, I might just accept any random villager into my island, and then I just accept them and then get their photo, and then when they want to leave, then I'll let them go. Anyway, let's just jump right into this. Alright, here we are, first ticket. Did we get lucky? Well, before I go look, let me check the beach to see if there's any DIY. No, I'm still in that hunt for that giant teddy bear DIY, you know? And we are not lucky. No DIY. But who did we get today? First ticket. Who is this? Vladimir. Oh gosh. Nope. I'm not taking that guy. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Alright, here we are with our second ticket. Did we get lucky? No, we did not. I don't think I want a penguin on my island. I don't see any DIY over there. I don't know, it looks like a sturgeon maybe. But let's go ahead and check the left side real quick. Nope, we're not lucky. Let's see, can we get an item though? Or are we gonna get wasps? Oh, we got an acorn. Oh, we got another acorn. Oh, nice. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Let me see. Probably gonna get hit with a wasp. Did I do this one already? Alright, I'm not going up there. Just in case a wasp drops down, I won't be able to run away. So, just gonna leave it like that. Alright, here we are on island number 3. Let's see who we get. Check the beaches real quick. Ooh! Got a bottle. To whomever this may be. I was on an aimless stroll when an idea for the most wonderful DIY recipe came to me on the breeze. I am compelled to share my recipe, so I have stuffed it in this bottle. It would please me if you made it. With hopes, Elise. Thanks, Elise. Been glazed dish yet? Do I have this? Elise, you failed me. Failed me, Elise. Elise? Elise? Oh no. Is it Kiki? Is this Kiki again? Kiki, this is our second time. This is our second time within, what, 13 tickets? Come on. Oh, wait, let me check my trees. Let me check this back one. I think there's a back one over here, right? Yep. Nothing there. Tree branch. Ooh. Got a knife block. Gotta run, gotta run. I made it. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, here we are on island 4. Yep, island 4. Who do we get? Oh gosh, no. Oh gosh, no. Don't do this to me. Yeah, I definitely don't want that person. And there's no DIYs. But we did get a toolbox. Tree branch. Nothing. Alright, actually, I don't even... That's it. Because otherwise it's going to take too long. Alright, so we're off to island number 5. Alright, here we are on island number 5. Let's see who we get. I think I saw someone blue. Oh, it's a blue shirt. Allie. No, I don't think I want an alligator. Boots was one of my first villagers when I first started. Ooh, we got a bottle. I don't think I like any of the alligators actually. Dearest whoever you are, while I was taking a much needed hot bath, my mind dreamed up the most fabulous idea for a DIY recipe. I cannot keep this idea to myself, so I have placed it in this bottle. Please, bring this recipe to life. Faraway wishes, Bree. Thanks, Bree. Thanks for nothing, though. I already know this. Alright, here we are, island number 6. Did we get lucky? Oh, gosh. No! No! I don't want a pig, man. I don't even think I've run into a wolf yet. Thing is, my Chops was like my first pig, and then that one's my second pig, I think. Alright, anyway. We only have 3 more tickets left? 3 more tickets. Can we get someone nice? Alright, here we are on the next island. Come on, Animal Crossing guides. Give me someone good. I'm speechless. Animal Crossing gods, what is this? Scoot, what are you wearing? What are you wearing in your head, Scoot? What is that supposed to be? I really don't even know. What is that? What is that on his head? I have no idea what that is. Right. Ooh, we got a bottle. Nice. To whoever found this, merci. While taking a stroll on the beach and soaking up the exfoliating salty air, I struck DIY gold. Ooh. Like all my best ideas, I stuck it in a bottle and let fate take over. It's time to become a DIY legend. Sincerely, Lionel. Is this a gold DIY? Oh, yeah, it's a gold screen wall. Too bad I have like 10 of these. Alright, Scoot, peace. Alright, here we are on the next island. Let's see who we get. Another pig? Really? Dang. I only got 2 tickets left. 2 more islands. And no DIY bottles. Alright. Well. Come on, Wilbur. Send me to something good, man. Come on, man. Send me to something good, dude. Alright. Island number 9. We're almost done. Oh gosh, no. Wait, who's this? Sid. I think Sid was... I think he's one of the new ones, isn't he? One of the newer villagers that got added to New Horizons. I don't think I want Sid though. But I'll take this DIY. To whoever found this. I really wanted to make an item as like an homage to my fave pop star and came up with this recipe. I put it in this bottle, so check it out. This recipe is for sure a hit. Go get your arts and crafts on. Sparkle on. Tangy. Cherry. Oh, I think I already know this. Yep, I do. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright, we have one more island. And then that's it for today. Wilbur, you're letting me down, buddy. Come on, man. Alright, everyone, here we are. Last ticket, last island. Did the Animal Crossing gods bless us today? We'll find out right now. It looks like a pig again. Is it another pig? It's a koala. What's up? Oh no. Eugene? Man. So disappointed. We didn't get blessed by the Animal Crossing gods today. Or did we? Let's see. Nope. Nope. Animal Crossing gods, they hate us. Oh gosh. Well everyone, that's a wrap for this session. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video. If you like and enjoy my content, feel free to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time. See ya.